Hello everyone. So it's been a while, but I have a little unboxing today. I have a Big Into Energy Labubu and two of the You Found Me Skullpanda plush pendants as well. I have previously got this one, which is one of the ones that I mainly wanted from the Skullpanda, and I love it. This is the, what's it called? I can't remember. Ratty Bear. And I also got Darkness as well. But this one, I am obsessed. Let's look at how cute she is. And then you can move her eyes and stuff. So cute. Absolutely adorable. But, yeah. Pretty cute. So, let's talk about which ones I actually want. So, as I said, I already have Darkness. I already have Ratty Bear. Other ones that I want are Cerberus and Chomp. I don't mind Mouldy Muffin as well. I'm not keen on the brown coloured ones. It doesn't really go with anything that I own. And neither does the white ones. And then if I could get the secret as well, that'd be pretty cool. And then the Labubus. So I already have Love. I have Serenity. I have Luck. I think I have Happiness. I really want Loyalty. That'd be pretty cool. So shall we open the Labubu first? Let's do this one first. Don't look at the card. Don't look at the card. This is increasingly more difficult. So no. Do not eat. And we get our Big Into Energy bag. So let's see which one we got. Ugh, I got one that I have already got, but this looks so janky compared to my other one. Like my other one is nowhere near this janky. Oh my god. Yeah, this is genuine, by the way. This is from Pop Mart. But my god. This looks so janky compared to my other one. That's insane how bad it feels in comparison to my other one. I don't know. There's something off about this Labubu. I don't know. Has the quality control gone down? And this is like the new batch. This is like what just came out in their TikTok live, like weekend thing. But I don't know, it just feels really weird compared to my other one. Kind of matches this one though. Cute. But yeah, let's put that to the side. And our card is just in there, bent to hell. Like, yeah, Pop Mart, I think that your quality control is going down here. From just trying to get these out quickly, I guess. But Big Into Energy. Look. But we move on. Which one of these two should I open? I'm going to open this one first. Move you back. And let's have a look. Not looking at the card. But here we go. Ooh. Is it Cerberus? Oh my god. Yes. It's one that I wanted. Oh my god. This is so cute. So yeah, we got Cerberus, which is this one. So cute. Those eyes are insane. Oh my god, I can't believe I got the one that I wanted. I don't like the fabric of this. This is really scratchy fabric. But the rest of it is super soft and cute. Oh my god. So cute. Arms there. Yeah, there. But yeah, there we go. I think these two are really cute together. Right? Cute. So I'm glad I got Cerberus. That's really cute. So it's got the Skullpanda pot mart on there. Cute. And then the card. Cerberus. Cute. Okay. So next, let's move on to this one. Can we end it with something good? Oh, that was not a nice sound. Come on. Don't be a dude. Don't be a double. Please don't be a double. Oh, it's a double. We got another. What's it called again? Ratty Bear. Ratty Bear. Shame, but it's a good one to get, I suppose. I suppose it's one of the ones that people want because it is quite unique. But I already have her. Cute. But at least I got Cerberus. And I want to keep the wrapper on this one, I think, because it's going on Vinted. Along with my janky look. It looks so dodgy. Has anyone else noticed this? That they look really weird now? Like the bodies are really weird? I don't know, that's so weird. Odd. Anyway. Yeah. I'm gonna go. Thank you for watching. If you like these videos, let me know and I will try and do more. So, see you later. Bye.